Greetings everyone, welcome back to my channel Data Sculptor. Today we are going to see another interesting SQL question. So you have a table called order details and you have some columns order ID, item ID, product ID and quantity. So the question is you need to determine the set of unique orders that contain at least one quantity of product IDs 100 and 200. So you need to return the order IDs which have both 100 and 200 at product IDs sold. So if you see in order ID 1, you have 100, 200 and 300. So both 100 and 200 are sold here. So one order ID 1 should be returned. And similarly order ID 2, you have 200 and 500. So 200 is there but 100 is missing. So order ID 2 should not be returned. And for order ID 3, you have 100, 300 and 400. So again 200 is missing. So order ID 3 should not be returned. And for order ID 4, you have both 100 and 200. So order ID 4 should be returned. So 1, 4 and 7. So this is the question. So now let's see how to solve this using SQL. So as discussed, this is the input which we have discussed earlier. So the order ID, line ID, product ID and quantity. So first what I will do, this is solution one. Okay. So first what I'll do, I'll create a separate data set, select star from order details where product ID is equal to 100. Product ID is equal to 100. And when I run this, you will get all the order IDs which are having product ID 100. So I'll just write distinct. Okay, I'll remove distinct. I'll just write order underscore ID. Okay. So now when I run this, you'll get all the order IDs which are having order ID which sold order ID product ID 100. Okay. So now I'll keep this in a CTE with CTE 100 as. Okay. And now what I'll do the same way, I'll create one more CTE called CTE 200. And same way, instead of order ID 100, I will store order ID 200 details here. Okay. And what I'll do now, so what select from CTE 100 a inner join CTE 200 b on a dot order ID is equal to b dot order ID. Okay. So I'll return a dot order ID. And when I run this, what will happen? So it will return me the order IDs. So first what happened, I have returned all the order IDs which are having product ID as 100, and second I have written all the order IDs which are having product ID as 200. So when there are two data sets and if I want to have common values between the two data sets, we always use an inner join. So that's what I have done here. We have used inner join and retrieve the order IDs which are selling both product ID 100 and 200. Okay. So 1477. So here distinct. If I use distinct, you'll get the uh, distinct order IDs. Okay. This is one solution using CTEs and joins. CTEs and joins. Okay. And now the second solution is using CTEs only, but not joins. So what I'll do, I'll just copy this CTEs and instead of joins, what I'll do, I'll select order ID. Okay. Order underscore ID from CTE 100 intersect select order underscore ID from CTE 200. Okay. So when you run this, let's see what we are getting. You are getting 1, 4 and 7 again, because we all know intersect operator, what does it do? So uh, in two data sets, whatever is common between the two data sets, it will return only those values. Since we need the common values between for all this for both these CTEs, we are directly using intersect here. Okay. So this is using CTEs and intersect. Okay. So now what we need to do is we need to find a more optimized way, because creating a CTE or creating a subquery is not a optimal way. I mean, you can create a CTE and subquery, there's no harm in this, but it is always good to ignore CTEs and subqueries as much as possible. Okay, so now what I'll do, the same solution I'll try to solve it without using CTEs. I'll use joins, only joins, and solve it without using CTEs. So solution 3 without CTEs and using only joins. Okay, so what I'll do, select from order details A, inner join order details B. So what I'm doing, I'm joining order details with itself, the same table with itself on A dot order ID is equal to B dot order ID. So we all know selecting the same table, I mean joining the same table with itself is called a self join. So I am trying to do a self join here, but on order ID column. And also one more condition what we need to keep is, we need to make sure that we return the order IDs which are selling both product ID 100 and 200. So here what we have done earlier in the CTE, we had we took different data sets for product ID 100 and product ID 200. So now I'm not taking different data sets, instead joining the same table with itself. So in order ID, in alias A order details, so what I'll do here, I'll keep product ID is equal to 100 and B dot product ID is equal to 200. So I'll write A dot order ID. So in this way, we will get only one required order IDs, which are sold both product ID 100 and 200. So in this way, we need not use any CTEs. With simple joins only, we can directly retrieve the data. So this is the solution 3 without CTEs and using only joins. And let's see solution 4 without CTEs and using only intersect. Okay, so again same way, select order underscore ID from order details where product underscore ID is equal to 100 and intersect, I'll do the same here 200. Okay, so order ID 100 will give you all the orders which have 100, which are sold product ID 100, and similarly order ID 200. So basically what I'm doing, instead of creating a CTE and then referring to that CTE in the query, I'm directly referring that main query inside in the main query. I'm directly referring this particular query in the main intersect query itself. So when I run this, you will get the required output 1, 4 and 7. So hope you all like this question and also the solutions. So 4 different solutions. First is using CTEs or subqueries and joins. I have not used subqueries. If you want, try to update the same query to use a subquery and see. And you can post your solution comments using subqueries. And the solutions 3 and 4 are without using CTEs or subqueries. So do let me know which one is the best way, which one is the best solution which you would prefer. So we'd like to hear your opinion in the comment section. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and also click on subscribe button for more videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.